This is a simple step-by-step tutorial to activate free SSL in Plesk. Access your Plesk control panel by logging in. Go to Websites and Domains and select the desired domain/subdomain to install the SSL certificate. Scroll down to the Security section and click on SSL/TLS certificates. Locate the Install a Free Basic Certificate provided by Let's Encrypt section and click Install. Configure advanced certificate settings if required, then click the Get It Free button to start the Let's Encrypt certificate installation. Plesk will automatically contact Let's Encrypt to generate and install the SSL certificate.